I'm Linda Saylor, and I'm the founder of Aspen Academy, and we are a pre-K through 8th grade school in Greenwood Village, Colorado. We are committed to being on the cutting edge. We really want to show that education doesn't have to be the same old, and that we can do things differently, and it can be financially sustainable to do that. The environment that kids learn in is critical to their success. Kids spend over 15,000 waking hours at school each year. And it is, just really important that it be a bright and lively place for them to learn and engage, but also a comfortable and safe place so that they can learn and explore and become who they want to be. So we've been very intentional as we've renovated the space. We have about an 80,000 square foot building. Some of our classrooms are garden level classrooms, and it's really important that those feel bright and warm and inviting. The lighting has helped with that. The students really are reported to be happier, more engaged, and more likely to stay on task. Not only does that help the students learn better, but it also can help you become more efficient as a school and reduce costs as well. It's just not a tenable situation for schools to keep increasing their tuition rates at the way that they have. If you're not financially sustainable, you're not going to be around much longer. And we've really got to look at ways to be creative and to get the most bang for our buck. We had actually had several bids from other LED companies that came in. The length of time it took to get that return on investment was really kind of far out there in the future. And for schools, it's really difficult to get that cash outlay up front to invest in it, even if you know it's going to pay off in the long run. The difference that EOS made was that their products and their installation and everything was much more affordable to begin with. And the products were very high quality. And so that was another important aspect for us, is we didn't want the quality of the environment to suffer. So, really looking at that return on investment and shortening the time, we cut our monthly electric bills from about an average of $5,500 a month to about $2,500, and sometimes even lower than that. So that's a significant savings if you look at that. Based on this and some other initiatives that we've done with our HVAC, we've actually reduced our energy usage, and we've cut it in half since 2014. I recommend EOS especially because they were able to put together a package for us that improved the speed of our return on investment, and that really made it possible for us. I recommend to anyone who will listen to me that you definitely need to look at LED lighting as an alternative.